The digital contact grill FY811 EDGL from Goodland Kitchen Equipment Factory. The contact grill has a robust and high-quality design. The casing is made from stainless steel and has an upper and lower griddle which also keep the grilled dishes warm. 6 custom modes with different temperatures and times make using the device remarkably easy. The mode 6 initial value is 60 degrees centigrade and 30 seconds. You can set the temperature and time for each mode. The digital system has a memory function. The user just need to set it for the first time. It keeps the settings when the user restarts. The mode 5 initial value is 100 degrees centigrade and 60 seconds. The mode 4 initial value is 150 degrees centigrade, 1 minute and 30 seconds. The mode 3 initial value is 200 degrees centigrade and 2 minutes. The mode 2 initial value is 250 degrees centigrade, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. The mode 1 initial value is 300 degrees centigrade, 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Contact Goodland team to find out more.